December 31st, last day of the month, December 31st, 2018. 7 a.m. in the morning, Jacksonville, Florida, USA. Jake Locksmith Services.Jacksonville, Florida. Yes, indeed. I'm letting all y'all people see what's going on. It's kind of foggy this morning. Kind of foggy on this last day. That's racetrack there. Yeah, that's old racetrack. Yes, indeed. Let y'all see what's going on while I'm walking. What's happening? YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, MySpace. What's happening? What's happening? Last day, December 31st, 2018. It's about 5 after 7 a.m. now. Making this little video, wrapping this last month up. My New Year resolution is to do better in 2019 than I did in 2018. Live my life better, treat people better, hope they treat me better. That's it. Keep something simple that I can go by and hold on to. I don't drink, I don't smoke cigarettes, drugs, alcohol. I don't do none of that, so I'm just trying to keep it simple, make some good video, you know, help the people see what I see almost. I hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody feeling pretty good on this Monday morning, last day of the month of December 31st, 2018. Yes, indeed. I'm just walking, letting y'all see things like I'm looking at it, you know. That's it. That tall tower there. Old tower. Walking along the park. This a park. I'm out here at the park. I'm getting my little walkout, my little workout on. Y'all know how that is. Let y'all see. Yes, indeed. Getting my workout on. Feel like running now. Feel like running. Feel like running. Back walking. Make this little video. Go over here and look at this little water here. Moving around right here. This a church. Nice church right here by the park. Plenty of traffic going on too. Like my video, subscribe to my video, comments, you know. I'm gonna keep them coming. I do the same for you. Subscribe, like my videos. I do it all for y'all. You know, we all trying to do the right thing, help each other out. Just trying to give y'all something what's going on this Monday morning, December 31st, 2018. We about to close it out. We about to close it out. Well, you know I'm walking. You see the camera moving. Camera just moving. And I'm walking. Going on back up here, up this hump right here. Feel like something just grabbed my leg. Let's see. I thought something grabbed my leg, but it didn't. Out here on this big old park. It's foggy. It's falling down like water. Look at that on the sidewalk. On the walk, just the little walk thing for you to walk and get around and stuff. Let y'all see. I go to different parks. I like going to different parks, you know, because they all built different, have different stuff on them, meet different people. I like all that. Let's see what they got right here. They got different stuff on these poses. This for them children. That's what this for. For them children. Yeah. Yeah, all this for them children. They put this down for children. I'm about to go now. I'll talk to y'all. I'll see y'all. Peace out. Peace. 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 Peace.